Tried the matcha Tokyo sa Vertis North and honestly, pinakamasarap na matcha na natikman ko so far. Hindi ako matcha expert and hindi rin siya yung usual go-to ko, but this one really stood out. Best matcha spot in Quezon City? Possibly. Feeling ko kaya siya masarap kasi 100% organic matcha yung gamit nila. You can really taste the quality. Nagustuhan ko rin yung space. Each table or spot may designated socket. Perfect if you're working or staying longer. Things to look out for lang, the regular matcha drink is around 280 pesos. May 6% service fee rin para sa mga staff, but you can request na ipatanggal siya sa final bill. Pero wag na sana. Of course, we're at QC, so Ordinance 2876. Pag dine-in, reusable cups ang gamit. Pag take-out, plastic and disposable materials. Nag-stay lang kami saglit for quick videos, then we went our way. That's why we requested for to go. I tried the banana matcha smoothie. If mahilig ka sa banana, mas nangingibabaw yung banana flavor kesa sa matcha. Nasa matcha place daw kami, kaya coffee mo ka binili ng kuya ko. Tried it and I suggest go for their matcha drinks. Since yung gusto ko leaning towards sweet side, mas nagustuhan ko yung salted matcha cream latte kaysa sa matcha Spanish latte. Para sa mga lagi nandito, ano yung marirecommend nyo na i-try ko next time?